Today I will show you how to make crazy VHS effects. Alright guys, so the first thing we can do is press Ctrl+Y to make a new adjustment layer. And now we can start adding some effects. So the first effect I like to add here is mosaic. You can make the horizontal blocks to like 220 or more or less. It really depends on how low the quality you want. If you want lower quality, then you have to make them less. And also vertical blocks, make it the same. And do not turn on sharp colors. Now let's add fast box blur below mosaic. And let's make the blur radius to 5. And just turn off the repeat edge pixels. Now let's add unsharp mask. Here let's make the amount to 200 and the radius to 10. Alright, and another effect we can add is motion tile. And here we can make the output width to like 80 or 75. So I'm just gonna make it to 75. That's what VHS usually has. And by the way, I need to give a shout out to Pelly from Editing Visuals for this method. He told me that if you use mosaic, fast box blur, and unsharp mask, you can make the quality really low just like that. So that is a great tip from Pelly. And now we can go to effects and presets and add S flicker, add it on top of every effect, and you can change it or you cannot. I just kind of like to have some flicker, but if you don't have sapphire, this is completely not needed. And the last effect we'll add is signal. Now this effect you want to add on top of every effect as well. Let's make the signal strength to 200, the signal amplification to 0.2, the cutoff filter to 3000, the hue noise to 100, turn off the luma noise completely, chroma noise completely, chroma loss completely, and the sharpen completely, and go to luma modulation. And here you need to turn off tape errors. And if you want, you can actually also turn off the turn on and off. It very much depends on you. I kind of like to actually turn it off. And this is kind of the look you will get. Actually insane. Now we can keep adding signals. So like if you press Ctrl+D and just add it again, it's gonna make it even more sharp. And then this even more sharp. I guess, I don't know, sharp is the right word, I think. But yeah, I'm just gonna have one signal. And now we can save it as a preset. So we can go to one of the effects, press Ctrl+A, go to animation, save animation preset. And here we can call it like Crazy VHS Effect and press save. Whenever you want to add this effect, you'll be able to go to effects and presets and add Crazy VHS Effect, or whatever you named it actually. And if you guys want more of these Crazy VHS effects, I actually have released a VHS presets pack, which is a crazy VHS pack that has like these VHS rewinds, VHS effects. So if you type VHS in the effects and presets and you have the VHS presets pack, you can scroll down until you see VHS presets. And yeah, you can just start adding them. So I'm gonna press Ctrl+Y actually. I'm gonna turn this off, and because I kind of really want to show you guys how these look. So for example, like the most simple one would be maybe like VHS 1, and you already have this crazy VHS like old look. And yeah, you can just pick out random effects and they will look amazing. Like VHS 20 is crazy for this old look. This is how it looks on half. I think that is a crazy VHS effect. And if you guys want, I actually have a $5 discount code for the VHS presets pack, which is called POVICAS. Use it to save $5 off on the VHS presets pack. But anyways guys, that's about it for the video. If you have any questions, then please let me know. But anyways, it was fun. Have a fun and productive day. See ya.